Hey everybody, so today we're going to do, I don't know if it would be considered part 3. It's not going to be another diagnostic video on the 4Runner's towing harness, but we're going to be doing a little bit of Diag as well as some cutting and soldering. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so in the last video that I did specifically, I tested this from Harbor Freight, which is just a little tester for a 4-flat tow harness. This will plug into the truck side. It did function perfectly fine. It's found the exact same problems as everything else, but I also bought a couple of these for fixing this beat up broken old rubber bracket that was on the 4Runner. I have this voltage tester you use for house voltage, stuff like that. It will do 12 volts to 1000 volts and 100 volts to 1000 volts. So it's Cat 4. Just gonna test it, see if there's any voltage coming out of that wire, and then I'm gonna use a multimeter and we're going to test. I'm going to cut the pigtail off, basically this pigtail on the wire harness. I'm going to cut it off and we're going to test the wires bare, see what the voltage is, and then see if it's actually the wire or if it's the connector. I'm still convinced that it's the controller box for the towing harness, because every wire tested fine. Like the voltage is not coming out of the box, it's going into the box appropriately, but it's not coming out. But so we're just gonna do a little bit of Diag, and we're going to probably do some soldering with the M12 soldering iron. I'll be right back. Alright, so here are the keys. I forgot one thing. Here they're at. Alright everybody, it's a little chilly out here. Alright. So I did re-tape it back up, but all it is, they took the original cover that was kind of hard and just recovered it with some duct tape for now. Or not duct tape, but electrical tape. Alright. There should be plenty. So the yellow wire is the wire that isn't working. Green wire is passenger side, yellow wire is driver side, brown wire is brake, license plate, and white is ground. So we're just gonna cut the yellow. Green. Doesn't look like there's any green crusties in here. Alright. About 18 gauge wire, because that's what worked the best to cut it. 16 to 18. Alright. Test the green first. These are just little harness, short little diagnostic harnesses I made. And on the green. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. Might be a little hard to see. Okay. I'll turn the key on. It's not picking up any voltage. Oh, turn the blinkers on. Alright, so driver side and passenger side. Let's test that again. Nothing. Alright, so sure the leads are good. Yep, they're reading at 0. Actually, take this cover off. Okay. The yellow, green wires all over the place. Between 2 volts and 5 volts, which is about normal. 2, 6, 1, 3, which is consistent with it flashing. Okay. Check the green wire, which is the functioning wire. Ground. Or the yellow wire, sorry. Green wire was functioning. We're testing the yellow wire right now. And the yellow wire is showing between 0.5 millivolts, which is 1/1000th of a millivolt, to 2600 millivolts. So it's not even close to regular voltage. So it's definitely looking like it might be the wire, but it also could be this plug. So we're just gonna I took the ground off. See if I can put this camera down so you guys can see it. Turn the tripod around. kind of hard to show you guys. See if I can lift it up for you guys. That's what it's showing on the yellow wire, or the yellow wire. And then I'll put it back to the green. There's the green. Plug it in on the ground. 3, 1, 5, 2, 4. Which is acting just like it's flashing. So, and that's direct current, so everything seems to be good. The auto ranging's working. So, it could be the wire, but I'm also thinking that it's the controller box. If the voltage is being lost in the controller box, the voltage isn't going to make it here anyways. And I'm still trying to track down one of those boxes, because the one I have is a original OEM manufacturer box. It came on the truck, and if I can't find one, I'm gonna have to buy one of the, like the ones from Hopkins, which I have to wire the entire system again. So I'm gonna cut this off. We're just gonna wire a new one in for the plug side, because this plug is pretty beat up and it lost its cover, so there's a lot of corrosion in here. That corrosion could be causing an issue, so we're just gonna replace that. So cut it off. I highly doubt that the corrosion is going to fix the problem, but a new plug is going to fix the problem. This is going to be the end of this video. I will bring you guys back for the soldering and everything like that. I just don't want these videos to be too long, so please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.